Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to activate bank card of Cyprus. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your browser, and on the search bar simply type in bankofcyprus.com and then hit enter. And once you hit enter here, what you need to do is simply click on cards, and here you'll be seeing this card management option. Now once you scroll down here, you'll be seeing the option to activate card process. Now the first step is to select one of the cards that's displayed. Now what you need to do is open up your Cyprus Bank app, and once you open it, what you need to do is just select one of the cards that is displayed, and once you select the card, select option to activate the card. And once you select the option to activate the card, you'll have to submit a request. So just click the submit to send the request, and once you click on submit request, the next thing is to confirm the transaction. And once you confirm the transaction, what you need to do is enter a digit passcode and then press confirm. And once you do that, one bank confirmation, the system returns a message containing the status of transaction. Click on the transaction number to view the details of transaction. And once you are done with all the process, all you gotta do is just try again, and Bank of Cyprus card will be activated. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.